So coming into Urikaruss, cabin number 1. So we've got kitchen, everything you need, big freezer, out onto the braai area. Got the table and chairs there, lovely braai, amazing view of the waterhole, right down the river, either side. And then all the places are connected by a walkway, so makes it really easy to travel around. And then if you come upstairs, got the beds there, extra pillows, them amazing blankets, which you definitely need at the minute because it's so cold. And then a bathroom, shower, and then the best bit, you come out onto the upstairs balcony, have a look around there, and again, look at that amazing view of the waterhole. So, third and final night in Urikaruss, so let's see what we see.